All, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss unit number 4 explanation video of web technology. So by watching this video you can score 10 marks weightage, that is 8 marks long and 2 marks short. So don't skip the video and watch till the end, then only you can easily understand whatever the themes I am saying in this video. Okay, so by watching this video you can complete this fourth chapter easily. Okay, so let's get into the video. The first question I have given keyboard events. Okay, so what is keyboard events? If you are finding they will ask keyboard events in their question, means you need to write this answer only. Got it? So keyboard events is nothing but whatever the actions we are performing through the keyboard is known as keyboard events. Here what I am saying, responses made by the browser on account of users interaction are often referred as events. Whatever the thing we want, that we will perform the actions through the responses of a browser. Responses will get from the browser as per the interactions, whatever the referred thing we have given to that events is known as keyboard events. So what are the various keyboard events you are having The first one is on key press, second one is on select, third one is on key up, and fourth one is on submit. Okay, general thing, if I will explain also, this is the answer like that you will tell. Got it? First one, on key press. What is this on key press? Means when we will click on the keyboard key, that is called on key press. Mane keyboard lo keys anedi will press, no? So that is called on key press. The on key press event occurs when the user presses the key or holds down the key on a keyboard. When we will click on the key in the keyboard, when we will pull down that key, that is called on key press. This event is handled by on key press event handler. ఓకే, సో ఎప్పుడైతే మనము కీబోర్డ్ మీద కీని ప్రెస్ చేస్తామో దట్ ఈస్ నోన్ యాజ్ ఆన్ కీ ప్రెస్. గాట్ ఇట్? సెకండ్ వన్, on select. On select is nothing but it occurs when some text is selected in any element. This event is handled by the event handlers. When we will select any element through keys in the keyboard, then it is called on select. That's it. You need to write this much only. No need to elaborate nothing. Okay. Next you will have on key up. On key up is nothing but when the user releases the key. After pressing the key in the keyboard, when the user releases the key will come up. Okay. So that is called on key up. It occurs when the user releases the key that is pressed by him or her on a document, image link, etc. This event is handled by the on key event handler. ఓకే, సో మనం ఏదైతే ప్రెస్ చేసినాక రిలీజ్ చేస్తామో కీని, ఆ కీ అనేది అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ రివర్స్లో పైకి వచ్చేస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఆన్ కీ అప్. Next you were having on key submit, that is on submit or on key submit. So this is the form of based event where falls and fills in the given form and ensures that entries are the loaded. Okay, when we will submit button is provided in each of the end of the thing, that is called as on submit. Okay, so this is 4 types only you will have in keyboard events. You need to write the program now. So this is the only program you are having, small program. So HTML, header, title close. So this is the title, on key demo. Okay, your input type is equal to text is equal to press and key and releases on key up alert, body close, HTML close. So this is the program, a simple program I have given. If you have seen in the material, it will have a big program. Instead of that you can write it this program. This is the keyboard answer. Okay, and the next and the last question from unit number 4 is mouse event. Either keyboard event or mouse event. Definitely one question will get in part B in today's examination. So on mouse events are, you are having on click, on double click, on drag drop, on mouse down, on mouse move, on mouse out, on mouse over. So this is the 7 types of mouse event we will perform with the mouse. Same like on click means whenever the user is clicking on the mouse, then it is called on click. Got it? Whenever we'll click on the thing using mouse is called on click. On double click is nothing but whenever the event is handled with a double time click. Okay, double click means when we will do double click with the mouse event, that is called on double click. On drag and drop is nothing but, and drag and drop you will have no cursor, you will have in the mouse. Okay, you will have some cursor here in the middle of the mouse, that is called as on drag drop. And next you are having on mouse down. On mouse down is nothing but whenever you press down any element is called as on mouse down. On mouse move is nothing but when you will move the pointer, that is called on mouse out. On mouse out is nothing but when the cursor leaves the element, that is called on mouse mode. Then you need to write the programming. So this is the program. So here you will have some difficult program, doc type HTML body, title open, title close. Here this one you need to remember. Okay, so this part and this part will be same, only this part you need to get remember. Okay students, this is all about the video. I hope that you have got clarity about the 4th unit explanation. Compulsory only mouse event, keyboard events. Again, you don't confuse. These 2 questions is enough for tomorrow's examination. If you are perfect with long, no need to learn short. Okay, so this is all about the video students. If you like this video, then do subscribe to our channel, because our channel is near to 50k, and share with all your friends and groups, because this video will be useful for them also. Okay, all the very best for your last examination. See you all in the next video. Bye bye students.